What the fudge is up, y'all? It's your girl, Jessica. What is up? What is up? What is up? Thank you for joining me here back on my mukbang channel. So let's just take a couple seconds. If you haven't already subscribed, please go hit that subscribe button. Help your girl in her endeavors. I'm moving around a lot because this ring light is glaring off my glasses, so I guess this is the best position to be in. But my face looks really wide. Anyways, go ahead and click the subscribe button, turn on that bell so you know when I drop new videos, the notification bell. Usually release on Fridays. Actually, we're gonna talk about that while we're eating this meal. I got some In-N-Out, y'all. I'm so excited. I'm trying to do this healthy thing. I don't want to call it a diet because I just honestly hate the word diets. But this is probably, the animal fries is not healthy. Obviously, it's potatoes and cheese and sauce. And the Coca-Cola, I know y'all love when I have Coca-Cola. It's not my fan. I'm more of a Pepsi girl, but I got that for y'all. They have Coca-Cola. They don't have Pepsi. I also got this, this is a tomato wrapped burger. This is what they do now. So instead of getting, if you get like, you don't like protein style, like how they do this. So this is just lettuce wrapped. Not any particular, it's just iceberg lettuce. So it's not like it's healthy. But I'm trying to do no carbs because I love bread, I love pasta, I love rice. Like, it's my favorite. I love fries, potatoes. So I'm just trying to eat as much less carbs as possible in my life. And then I also got what they call a Flying Dutchman. So this is literally just 2 pieces of meat with cheese. That's it. So if like someone's like on a keto diet, I don't know that diet in particularly. Honestly, I don't really know any of these diets. But I just go off of like what's going to keep me living, anti-aging, make me feel less depressed, make me feel better in my whole body. So I know like carbs, definitely, like wheat is not something naturally that we had when we were hunters and gatherers. Anyways, so yeah, that's a Flying Dutchman, just fucking cheese and meat. That's it. Yeah, so let's do a quick thumbnail because your girl's been slacking on that. I know. Let's do this real quick because my food's actually starting to get cold. It's hot outside, but all right. Maybe I can hold this. Yeah. Oh, and the soda. Okay, anyways, let's get going. So, oh my God. I'm sitting on my knees. Okay, now I'm too low. All right, y'all. So let's go ahead and eat some food. I might move around a lot because I'm sitting on my knees. I want to do this Flying Dutchman because it's just literally just, that's it. Oh, yummy. OMG. I don't have any napkins, and I'm not gonna get up to get some. Oh wow. Yeah, this is so good. So I was doing like my analytics and stuff. Excuse me. I was checking my analytics on YouTube, checking what time y'all are on here and days. Friday is not very, you guys aren't really on Fridays. And if it is, it's like only there's like one specific hour that a lot of y'all are on. It's so good. I hope my dad doesn't come home because then my dad will be in my video because I don't like to edit my videos. Not yet, at least. Maybe one day I'll start editing them again. Anyways, so I'm probably switching it up where releasing videos Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. You guys are on here a lot a lot of the time. So I'm thinking like, yeah, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, we should shoot for Wednesdays. Let's aim for Wednesdays. Maybe Tuesdays. No, Tuesday release. I think that's when I saw like a lot of y'all are on. Okay, this is the tomato wrapped one. They did throw 2 tomatoes, which is like, okay, I only needed really 1, but I like tomatoes, so. Okay. I can get behind this. So let me grab my book actually. Okay. It says on my book, Tuesdays, you guys are on a lot. So let's aim for, we're going to shoot Tuesdays. Tuesdays is the new release date. We're changing it up, y'all. Tuesdays is the new release date. So good. So, do you guys have In-N-Out near you? Or, ooh, me and my like lip. Or do you guys have like a specific burger joint near you that's like really, really good, has like a good special sauce, or just good in general? Drop the comment below. I should have got a large one. It's already halfway. All right, this is the protein style. This is really messy. Like the tomato one was not that bad. This is like pretty freaking messy. I get mine animal style, which comes with grilled onions, pickles, and sauce. All right, we're going in. Jesus. Okay. Oh, so good. Pickle. You can taste that pickle. Yo, In-N-Out. So good. I don't understand. And the menu's been the same since like 1948. Whatever year. Underneath the cups is John 3:16. For God so loved the world that he gave his only begotten son, that whoever believed in him should not perish, but ever have everlasting life. I don't know, some bullshit. I learned that when I was like little. My cousin had to memorize it, so I helped him memorize it when I was hella little. Boom, bam, thinking man. Ow. Being 29 sucks. No, it doesn't. It's cool. Just I can't be sitting like that too long. Oh my god. Getting up is hard too. How old are you? Drop below. Let me know your ages. Let me know in the comments below. Oh yeah. I'm going down. I guess we're eating with our fingers because you ain't around. Sorry, that was like really weird looking, but whatever. I felt like I had to do it like that. Ooh. I don't want to take all of the sauce off of like the fries. Share some sauce, put some sauce back. Saucy as bitch. Corey, did you get one? That's so good. All the flavors. How did that even happen? Animal style. Revelations. I don't know if that's a 6 or an 8. Yeah, In-N-Out's a Christian company. But they ain't no like Chick-fil-A. They're open on Sundays. Chick-fil-A's not open on Sundays. Quality you can taste since not paying $48. And every single In-N-Out has the two like crossing palm trees. Someone's I don't know if that's a UPS guy. I think that's a UPS guy or Amazon. They're pulling up with their loud music. Chismosa. I like I like to know what's going on. I'm nosy. Nosy as fuck. You ain't around. I don't need them popping up to my door and I'm singing like fucking baby. My whole world slide down. There is someone outside. I don't know if they're outside my door. I don't know what's happening. Maybe it's my dad. Honestly, my dad could be here. He likes to bump his music too. He'll be bumping music. Pulling up. This is so good. And usually when I get a burger and the fries, I feel full. I don't feel full. I actually should go for another like animal style, like another fine Dutchman. Y'all, if you're still here with me, because I know some of y'all like dip out of my video. If you're still here with me, we're almost at 1,000 subs. 1,000 subs, y'all. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I don't know what I'm gonna eat. Maybe it'll be cake. I don't know. Like, That's hella exciting. Such a mess. I made a mess. Just a mess. And I don't know what happened to my napkins. Oh. Whew. Getting back up on the knees. All right, y'all. No más. Oh, that was really little. I thought it was gonna be really big. Yo, I was anticipating a huge one right now. Anyways. Alright, y'all, that is it for me. It's in there. It's in there. I could feel it. Oh, man. It's like I have to like keep talking and then it like kind of works its way up a little bit. But we're already at 16 minutes and I don't want to drag this on any longer. If it comes out, it comes out. And then that was just like, that was God's will. That was that was the universe just working in its magic. But, nope. It's not gonna be a big one. Sorry, y'all. Anyways, thank you for eating with me. I love you. I hope that y'all have a great weekend and I'm like wishing that it's like a huge one, but it's just like not. Anyways, thank you for eating with me. We'll be back here. Actually, we're gonna change it up, y'all. We won't be back here next Friday. We'll be back here next Tuesday. Next Tuesday. Tuesday is the new drop dates of YouTube videos because that's just what it is. That's just what I'm doing. So I'll see you back here on Tuesday. Have a great weekend, y'all. I love you. And yeah, I don't know what else to say, y'all. You know, I like to ramble. Anyways, okay, bye.